Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Audi Allroad 2.0 T Quattro. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.